Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to release this a day early on Monday, but I want to talk about CAD Details and the ability we now have in Chief Architect Premiere X16 to copy and paste CAD details from one plan to another. So let's get started. I have two plan files opened here, and I'm just going to save these quickly. In plan 1, I'm going to create a CAD detail. Call it test detail. And we can draw whatever we want. We can put, I'm going to change this here. And we can put lines, we can put dimensions, we can put text. Objects, there we go. And I'll show you some text. Like that. One way to copy this information from plan to plan is I can select all of it and turn this into a CAD block, which means then I could put that CAD block into my user library, or I can just come over to plan 2, and when I look at my CAD detail management in plan 2, you'll notice I don't have test detail as one of the CAD details. And I can also confirm this by going to my project browser, project details. There's my test detail in plan 1. And if I open CAD details in plan 2, that is not available. Let's zoom in on this part, and you can see test detail is available in plan 1, but not in plan 2. I'm going to right click on that, and I can copy this detail and come up to plan 2 CAD details and right click, and I'm going to paste CAD detail. Give it the name. By default, it's going to pull up test detail because that's what it was originally. And click OK. And now test detail. I can close plan 1. Let's close and save plan 1. And now I open test detail by double clicking on it. Now, what's missing here is my text. But remember, I had to turn on that layer when I typed the text out. So let's turn on text CD plan. And there it is. It's still there. It just, the layer was turned off for this layer set in plan 2. I hope that's quick and helpful. If you like this information, click like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If this has been valuable, would you consider a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.